play this lucky 4 spot and bet what you want. Yes, it's a winner with 4 Card Keno and a lot of fun. Wait, does this work with Caveman Keno? Watch. Yes, this 4 spot works with Caveman Keno. Even better with a 4 times multiplier win. Wait, does this work with Cleopatra Keno? Watch. Yes, Vegas casinos don't want you to know this. This 4 spot is the Keno secret for 2026. Leave a comment below when you hit a jackpot. Beginners, listen up.
Yes, beginners, watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno Numbers, also free AI strategies with current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you. And good luck!